Hi guys, my name is Nayoka and originally from Jamaica, and my passion is reimagining traditional Jamaican flavors into things that are new, creative and unique, and that is what I hope to present to you today. Ingredient this week is corn. I will be making this week something special for you, which will be a jerk chicken filled cornbread cup. Stay tuned. Our ingredients are ready to go. I have 1 cup of buttermilk, quarter cup of brown sugar, half cup of melted unsalted butter, and that's left to cool, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of fine cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that I have a quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. I also have corn kernels and Scotch bonnet peppers. This will make a huge difference to the cornbread. Additionally, I will put some corn syrup in the cornbread to add some sweetness. So I'm combining my dry ingredients. This is my flour mix and my cornmeal into a bowl. Just whisking to make sure that everything is properly combined. To a separate bowl, I'm adding my wet ingredients. So there I added my 2 eggs. I whisked them. My brown sugar. Buttermilk. Then this is a melted butter, but it is cooled. The buttermilk, if you add hot butter to it, it will curdle. I'm adding a quarter cup to my wet mix. And I'm going to fold my wet mix into my dry mix. This stage is important. You don't want to over mix. Scotch bonnet, folding that in. Folding in the corn. Flour, cooking spray, and cornmeal to prevent the batter from sticking, but also to help the batter to be crunchy. While we're waiting for our cups to bake, what we're going to do is whip up some filling to go inside those cups. And for that filling, I'm using cream corn and ricotta. I'll be using half of the pureed corn. Half. And then we have about 3/4 cups of ricotta cheese here. I filled the cups with whipped ricotta and now I'm adding jerk chicken to the cups. This adds that level of spiciness that will surprise you. Then I'm finishing the cups with some sweet sauce and I will be garnishing with some edible flowers. This is a beautiful and tasty dish. Here's the finished dish. Thanks for watching.